Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you what to do if your Google TV streamer can't turn on and keeps making weird noises. So, as you can probably hear, my Google TV streamer keeps making weird noises and won't turn on no matter what I do. I'll try nothing. I can volume up, volume down, but nothing. Then just unplug it from the TV, but unplug the power supply and plug it in, not into a TV, but into a normal power output. So I'll do it right now. Now unplug the HDMI and plug again. Wait for it. Okay. I didn't even need to click anything on the remote. And as you can see, the Google TV is turning on normally. It's because you don't have enough power to properly turn it on. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.